The player state is another core part of the Unreal Engine game framework and can be used to store information about a player. For example, that can be the player's score or name, or other information that should be accessible to other players. Because, similar to the game state, all clients have access to the player state of another player, making it easy to share information between players. For example, you can use the player state to store information that you want to display in a scoreboard for your game. The default player state already has a lot of common properties, like a score, a unique net ID for the player, if the player state is linked to an AI controller, and also some information about the ping. On top of that, you can easily create a custom player state to add additional information that is important for your game in specific. After you have created your custom player state, you can switch it out in the game mode so that per default every player spawns with this type of player state. Inside your pawn or controller class, you can access the associated player state by calling the getPlayerState function, where you can provide the according class of your player state. The same is valid for working inside blueprints, where you can access the player state but then obviously have to cast it to the appropriate version. Another way to access a player state is by the index of the player. For that, you can use the function in the uGameplayStatics class, in C++, but also in Blueprint. Even though it seems that the player state is only useful in multiplayer games, using the player state also in single player games allows you to better organize where you store data. Also, if you destroy your character, for example, to respawn your player, the player state and its data will persist, making it easy to use and store data across the different character instances for the same player. But in the end, it also depends on your preferences and the architecture you want to use. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.